The VFD self-calibrates to detect proof of flow on both variable frequency driven and constant volume motors on both fans or pumps. Before sensor installation, determine mounting location for the sensor near the conductor to be monitored, at least a ½ inch away from any uninsulated conductor. The sensor features a flexible iris which allows the sensor to hang on a conductor if local codes permit. A bracket is also included for screw mounting or attaching to a DIN rail. When securing to a wall, use the mounting bracket to mark where to drill. Wire the output of the sensor to a control panel digital input loop and tighten terminal to 3.5-inch panels. Then attach wire label. The sensor will automatically detect belt loss on motors operating by variable speed drive after 10 seconds of operation of up to 40 Hz. To reset and restart calibration training, press and hold button for 1 second 40 Hz mode or 3 seconds 50 Hz mode. The LED will blink 4 times in 5 seconds, indicating the device is back in training mode. Operate motor above 40 Hz for 10 seconds when in 40 Hz mode, or 50 Hz for 10 seconds when in 50 Hz mode. For motor status, when motors are supplying enough amp draw to activate the CT, hold the button down for 5 seconds. Verify CT is in go-no mode with 3 blinking LED lights every 5 seconds. Turn motor to minimum speed to verify the current is enough at the low Hertz. And of course, wrap CT to increase amperage at lower motor speeds only if needed.